Lightning was born in 1997, and of course, we got him at PetSmart. I was 5 years old when we got him, and his brother Fireball, who's in the corner. Lightning had a good life. He liked to hang out in boxes, take naps, play outside, eat, and ruin my furniture. Even though he ruined my furniture, we were still best friends. Lightning was always there to talk to, and he protected me from anything bad that came my way. We played a lot too. Sometimes we even played hide and seek. A couple weeks before I left for school, Lightning started to act really weird. Boxes were no longer entertaining, and he slept forever. He also wanted to be alone all the time. He would never play with me anymore. Shortly after I left for school, my mom called to tell me that Lightning had developed lung cancer. I did not want to keep him alive, in pain, until I could get home that weekend. So I made the hardest decision of my life and gave my mom the green light to put Lightning down that same day at the vet. Lightning died on September 27, 2013. But he is still around, and now he's my guardian angel.